Welcome to my first official YouTube video. I am the owner of Sanctuary Salon located in the San Francisco Bay Area. As of right now, the salon is Sanctuary Salon, but pretty soon we are going to be Morgan James Salon, so you'll be finding us under that name soon. So this video, as you can see, is about Redken's Heat Cure product. It's a product that I absolutely love, and I feel like it gets forgotten about a lot. My client here, I've been seeing her for a very long time, and she came to me all of a sudden with these very dry, puffy ends. Honestly, I'm not sure if she went in the ocean, if it was flat iron. I'm not really sure, but she came and they were just really, really rough. So we had done the heat cure one time before and she really liked it, so we're going to do that again. You can see that there was the product. So here is the heat cure product device. This is the lotion that it comes with, and it has the little flat iron that comes with it. So basically what you want to do is, as you see here, you want to wet your client's hair or wash it, whatever you prefer. If they need it to be washed, that's good. I would probably wash it and get off any kind of buildup, anything that might be on the hair. So that's what I did here. As you can see, the brush is really tugging on those ends. Her ends just really took a hit at some point. Not really sure what went on there. So getting right into it, the way it works is fairly similar to your traditional Brazil blowout. You're going to take small sections, as you see me doing here, and you're going to apply the heat cure lotion to each section. You don't need to take too small of sections, maybe inch and a half, maybe 2 inches if you're really, trying to rush it. I like to take fairly small sections, but I want to really get that product through there. So you can see me here brushing the heat cure lotion through the hair, and then I will take a fine tooth comb and really comb it through the hair to make sure it's distributing really, really well. And then the heat cure system has a flat iron with it. It's not like your average flat iron. The video is really fast right here, so it's a little bit hard to see, but what you're going to do is you're going to take your flat iron that comes with it, and you're going to apply the lotion, and then you're going to go over each section. So it's a little bit slower right here, and you'll be able to see that I've got my lotion on there. And this is the heat cure flat iron, and I'm going to go over top of the hair a couple of times. What this is doing is opening the hair's cuticle and really pushing that product into the cuticle so that you're moisturizing the hair on a really deep level. This isn't something, it definitely is something that's going to sit on the top of the hair, but I really feel like it gets really deep into the hair strand. It really is an amazing product. I've loved this product for so long, and I just feel like it's one of those things that just gets forgotten, or maybe some people don't even know about it. I'm not really sure, but a really great add-on to do for those guests who have dry hair, damaged hair, even curly hair, when they need that extra moisture and they come to you. So right here you can see we're kind of talking. She's got all the lotion in there. It's been flat ironed into the hair. So I'm going to take her in. I'm going to go into the sink, rinse it out really, really well. I'm going to wash her hair, condition her hair as normal. I'm just showing her here, the difference already that it makes. The comb is already going through her ends much easier. In the beginning, it was just struggling to get through those ends. So I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna do a quick cut. This guest is trying to grow her hair out, and so I don't want to cut off too much of the hair, but I do want to get some of those ends off. She needed a haircut anyway, so we were doing that anyway. But as you can see, the hair already looks so much better. I know that it's wet and it's hard to see, but you can definitely see there that the comb is just going right through it. This product hair just loves this product. If you have any guests who have dry, damaged hair, needs moisture pushed into that hair, I would highly suggest Redken's Heat Cure. I'm going to use Kevin Murphy's leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to go ahead and get her blow dried. As I said, we've done this service to her hair before, so we know that her hair takes it really well. This guest has very fine hair. She doesn't have thin hair, but she does have fine hair, very tangly, very prone to damage and breakage and all of that, so this is just such a good product. So here you can see she was wanting that sort of solid, blunt ends. She really wanted to feel like her hair was thick and healthy on those ends, so I was really going in and giving her that thick end kind of haircut. Didn't cut off much at all, just really quick, really easy. Here I'm going through and just texturizing some of those ends. They were a little bit blunt for my liking, so I wanted to soften it up just a bit. And here we were just having a small consultation. I wanted to talk to her about her color. I could definitely see that her blonde was growing out. You can kind of see it right there. So I wanted to talk to her about coming in and getting that color touched up. So we discussed that, and here you can see really beautiful. Those beach waves. Unites U oil right here. The best product. Love that. Really nice, some quick curls, and look at that hair. It is so voluminous, so shiny, just such a good, quick, easy service. My guests absolutely love Redken's Heat Cure. There was a couple of pieces there that were a little straight. That was bugging me, so I wanted to curl those really quick. So again, here you can see really pretty. Lots of shine added right back into her hair. Getting those ends off, obviously a haircut's gonna help a great deal as well, but getting that moisture in is a huge plus for her hair. So, and just here's a final result of her hair. You can see those ends so much better. I talked to her a lot about taking care of her hair, products to use, things like that. And here it is. Here's her final result. I really hope you guys liked the video. I know this was a sort of simple video. I wanted to start with something simple. I'm going to be doing all kinds of new videos, and I'll be putting those up on my channel soon. So keep your eye on my channel. Come back soon. Subscribe if you want to see what's next. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.